Hi, welcome again to yet another presentation from Hectronics India. In this video tutorial we'll look into a demo of the fingerprint sensor. So this is the fingerprint sensor module. I think the model number is R305 and this is the demo app. So the first thing you do is you connect your fingerprint sensor module to some serial communication. So I have here a RS-232 fingerprint daughter board and I have connected it to RS-232 to USB module, and this USB is connected to my computer. So I already know the COM address, so I'll just go and open the device. And as you can see, it has successfully opened the COM port and able to communicate with the fingerprint sensor. So I have cleared all the database, and the first thing I'll do is I'll try to enroll some user, and I'll give the ID as 1, and you can see this start blinking, and I'll put my finger. And it is asking me again to put my finger. So as you can see, we have used the continuous enroll and we have enrolled 5 fingers, and so I'll just show you how to search those fingers once again. So I have pressed the search button and it is asking me to put my finger. So I have put my finger and it has successfully captured and it has matched to my finger 1. Now let me try it again. Now as you can see, it has matched to my finger 3. So this way you can create searchable indexes and you can search those fingerprint and match them with the index previously registered. So one thing you need to be really extra careful in wiring and all those things, because like for example here I see red and black wire, but on this board I see TTL and RX, and these are the blue and yellow wires, and I see them as a power supply. If you don't have this daughter board or something, you really need to check the data sheet and connect it to the proper pins, because I see a lot of complaints from the customers like how to use. What lot of people do is directly jump into Arduino and all those things, and if it's not start working they assume that this is not working and all those things. So all these things are like pre-tested and comes directly from the factory itself. So the best thing is like you can use some kind of daughter board to connect it to a PC and try with a PC demo software. And once you are comfortable in how to use these things, there are so many libraries available for Arduino and all those other microcontrollers, and you can start looking into those libraries and directly interfacing it with microcontroller. But for like really starting up, you should first try with this Synode demo software and can have a feel of how this fingerprint sensor modules work. And all the software links, datasheet, SDK, everything is already available in the download section, and you can purchase directly from hectronics.co.in. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.